Welcome to this channel. This is where we talk about how to trade in cryptocurrency and how to make money online. So today we're gonna talk about how to trade in P2P trading. So once you click the P2P interface, it will take you to this place where you see USDT. You can buy, you can sell, and today we're gonna talk about how to buy. And you see the different orders, you see the different orders set below. So this if you study this order, you see something written completion rate. This is the rate at which the trader is active on the platform. So if you are new to the trading, it usually improve as you do the trading. So that's why they have arrived to the completion rate of that percentage. So it differ, it may be 50, 30, 40, 100% or 90 something percent. And one thing you have to understand about this completion rate is that when you see some completion rate 80 and above, that is good trader. You can trust and you can make trade with such a person because their performance is good on their platform. Another thing you have to check is you see there is always so another important thing you are supposed to check is the limit. There's a limit, there's maximum, and there's minimum limit. Minimum limit means that you can only buy the minimum amount you can buy from the person is the one that he has placed on the platform. Maximum also means that you can only buy to that amount. You can't buy more than what he has placed on the platform. So checking on the minimum is very important, and again checking on the price that you want to you are comfortable of buying. So different traders put their price differently. As you can see, this there's slight difference on each and every trader, and those different is the reason why they're gonna make some profit, because it differs. Someone can buy USDT at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. So once you put your trade, you just click there, and you want to buy. For example, you've decided to buy from this one, so you just click buy. When you click buy, you see it take you to where you are going to see how to make that trade. So another important thing is that before you buy, you make sure that you are you select the means of payment. If you want to pay with the M-Pesa, bank, or equity, or transfer to any, you just select, and once you select, you click down confirm, and it will show you the traders that are paying with the different methods on which they want to be paid from. If you choose a bank, they will bring you traders that are being paid by bank. If you click M-Pesa, they bring you traders that are being paid by M-Pesa. So that is how it basically works, and so that is very, very important. Payment method, you see there's written amount, then payment method. When you click there, you see the variety of payment method. You can use your mobile phone payment, you can use bank payment. So when you click buy, it brings you to this interface where you see buy by fiat, by crypto. So fiat means the local currency that you are using. If you are in Kenyan, you are using Kenyan shillings. So that is what you are seeing there. So and again up there you see there's a limit, 1,000 Kenyan shillings to 3,000. So this means that this trader, the minimum you can buy is for 1,000 shillings, and the maximum you can buy is for 3,000 Kenyan shillings. So you can just according to your budget, you can just do that. If, for example, I'm just showing you for educational purposes, you can decide to buy this 3,000 Now once you've done that, you go down, you see there's a place that is there's a the terms of the person that is making trade. That is very important. Most people overlook that. You are supposed to check on the terms of the terms of the person in which he has placed there, because different traders have different terms of trading, and this one, it is a trader himself that make sure that he is making that terms. Others say that they don't accept third party payment. This is because third party payment may not reveal the name, identity, and you are supposed to, the person who is receiving money is supposed to receive your full name to be assured that you are not a scammer, you are just a real person. So that is very important. You have already checked the completion rate and you've seen it 99% or 100%. 80 and above is very good. You've also seen the number of traders. I think 200 and above number of traders is good. Traders means that that person has made such trade. Like for this case, that is 814 people trades, the number of trades that this person have interacted with. So you go to next, you go to make payment. Once you click there, make payment, you will gonna see the account details of the person. You check. That is very important, the account number, the name of the person, means of payment. You check that. What you do is that if you're making payment, the number, this, you just copy. You copy the number and you go to the payment method, means of payment you want to do. If it is mobile phone, you just go to once you click make payment, you will copy the means of payment, make sure that you know the name of the person, then you go to your app, the bank or M-Pesa. Like in this case, you just see the name, M-Pesa number, you see there's a small box there. You just click that box. That means you've copied the number. So once that number is copied, you place it to the, you go now, once that you go to M-Pesa, if you are paying with M-Pesa, then once you go to M-Pesa, what you do is that you send and you copy, you see, you copy the number. That is already done. What you do next is you put the amount that you want to buy. You see, you get the amount. Once then you confirm. Once you confirm, you put your PIN number. You put your PIN number there, and once you put your PIN number, you send the money. And once you've sent the money, you will always see the name of the person that you are trading with. So that is how you can buy USDT from someone. That is how you can buy USDT from someone. The same way you follow the same process, you can buy Bitcoin from someone. P2P means buying from someone, that is from person to person. So you can buy and put a sell trade, and you can also sell. You can buy and sell. Basically, well, another important thing to consider is once you made the payment, you go back to Binance app and you see a place that written confirmed you've transferred the money. Then you click there. That is very important. Don't forget to click that. Once you've done that, you wait for some few minutes. It usually takes about 15 minutes and the trader will release the currency to you. So that's how we do the business. Okay. Today I've talked about how to buy USDT. So let me see from the comments what you want me to talk about. This is where we talk about how to make money online, and we also talk about digital currency. Do not forget, if you are a new subscriber, subscribe, like and comment down below. Share this video, and so that you can get we can grow as a family. So that's how it is to trade. I'm gonna talk about how to put sell trade, and that is on another coming video. So do not keep on watching, do not keep on checking. Yeah, you understand?